welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. I wanted to share with you guys my new vintage farmhouse hutch. I got this on Facebook Marketplace. I got this a couple of weeks before Halloween. And guys, this was only $100. I couldn't believe it was that cheap. And I love the details, how she painted it and gave it this distressed look, and how it has the holes where you can plug up things on the shelves if you want to, and the boards on the back. So I've already decorated this with fall leaves and fall lights going around the top of it. And today I'm going to share with you how it looks with my Thanksgiving decorations on it. I'm going to dust it off and get it all decorated for the Thanksgiving holiday. And I'm going to show you what it looked like decorated for Halloween. If you missed my Halloween home tour, I'm going to insert a picture here what it looked like decorated for Halloween. It was so cute. And these are all the things I've picked out to decorate my new vintage hutch with. These plates, I got a set of plaid dishware from Overstock. And I'm going to put these on the hutch. This little pumpkin came from Hobby Lobby last year. This pumpkin came from Big Lots years ago. These candle holders came from the at-home store a few years back. This cute little orange fox came from Joann Fabrics probably 2 or 3 years ago. These little turkeys came from Old Time Pottery a couple of years ago. This cute little turkey came from Big Lots a few years ago. This cute little plaid pilgrim couple I got at Old Time Pottery this year. Look at their faces. I think they're just adorable. These pine cone candles I got at Ross. And I'm going to put some leaves and this little pumpkin and a pine cone. This Happy Pumpkin Spice Season sign I got from Big Lots. Oh, sorry, from Gabe's this year. This cute little pumpkin guy. Let's see. I don't remember where I got him. I've had him for years. And then this really pretty, but I think I love fall most of all sign. I bought that on Etsy last summer. So I'm going to add all these cute little fall and Thanksgiving things to my new vintage hutch and let you see what they look like. So I'm just going to dust the hutch off. It's still got some glitter on it from Halloween. I had quite a few little glittery decorations on it here. There's a bunch of black glitter from a black cat I had up here. And I love this little plaid duster. I got this at Old Time Pottery for $6, and it works so good. I love this thing. All right, now that I've got it all cleaned off, let's get to decorating. First, I'm gonna take this pretty pumpkin. I'm gonna put this on this top shelf up here. I have the little sunflower facing this way. And then this little pumpkin from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna put this in the middle, and that covers up that little hole that's there if you want to plug up stuff. I'm gonna take the cute orange fox I got at Joann Fabrics, and I'm gonna put him right here on this corner of the top shelf. And see how cute that looks? I like that. And on the second shelf here, on each side, I'm gonna put these plaid plates that I got on Overstock. I got the little plate holders on Amazon. And put them at a little bit of an angle. So that's how the little plates look on the second shelf. And in the middle of these two plates, I'm gonna put the cute little turkey that came from Big Lots. Now see, that makes it look like it's ready for Thanksgiving. And I'm going to take the two little turkeys from Old Time Pottery, and I'm going to set them in front of the plates. So this is my shelf of turkeys here. So that's how it looks with the top and the second shelf decorated. Looks super cute and definitely Thanksgiving. And on the bottom shelf here, the first shelf, I'm gonna put this cute little pilgrim couple that I got at Old Time Pottery. I'm gonna put her on the left side, and I'll put him on the right. And that's how they look. They're super cute too. And in the middle of the little pilgrim couple, I'm gonna put this Happy Pumpkin Spice Season sign. So that fills in that space. And covers up the hole in the middle there. So that's how that looks with the cute sign. And then I'm gonna put these leaves right in front of the sign. And then this little pumpkin at the end and a little pine cone. And there. I think that looks really cute. That fills in all the spaces. And it's definitely decorated for Thanksgiving. So now I'm gonna decorate the very top of the hutch. So on the top of the hutch, I'm gonna put these two candle holders. I'm gonna put the tallest one first here on the end, and then I will put this one next to it. So that gives some height to the top of the hutch here. And then I'm gonna put these two cute pine cone candles on each candle holder. And that's how those look on top of the hutch. That gives it some height on this side. And then on the right side, I'm gonna put this gorgeous, but I think I love fall most of all sign I ordered on Etsy. It was handmade. I think this is just beautiful. So there's the candle holders with the pine cones and the beautiful sign. And then the last thing, I'm gonna put the little pumpkin man here to the right of the sign. And so now that's how the top of the hutch looks. And I'm gonna step down and show you what it all looks like put together. So here's an overview of what my new hutch looks like decorated for Thanksgiving. I think it turned out perfect. I just love it. I've been wanting a hutch forever, and I couldn't believe when I found this one for just $100 on Facebook Marketplace, and it just fit this little wall right here in the corner of my kitchen perfect. Now I've also got this cute little scarecrow on this side with a pumpkin light, an owl pumpkin, and that cute little scarecrow on a basket that I got from Cracker Barrel years ago. I think this turned out really pretty. And here's another view of how I decorated it up close. I love to decorate for Thanksgiving, and I will be doing a Thanksgiving home tour in the next week or so. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And of course, after Thanksgiving, I will be doing Christmas. And I just wanted to show you how pretty it looks with the lights out. Also, I still have my little black tree up in here. After Halloween, I redecorated it for Thanksgiving. And the sunflowers and the leaves and pumpkins. And after Thanksgiving, of course, I will undecorate this tree and redecorate it for Christmas. But this is how pretty this looks all lit up with the lights out. So stay tuned for my Thanksgiving home tour. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Frankie wants to say hello, friends. Hello. He says thank you for coming and watching his mommy's channel. And happy Thanksgiving.